The Earth's temperature is increasing due to human activities such as pollution and overpopulation, and this is radically changing the world around us. The main causes of the phenomenon known as the greenhouse effect are gases in the atmosphere such as water vapor, CO2, methane, nitrous oxide, and chlorofluorocarbons. They let the sunlight in but keep some of the heat from escaping, like the glass walls of a greenhouse. The more greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, the more heat gets trapped, strengthening the greenhouse effect and increasing the Earth's temperature. Human activities like the burning of fossil fuels have increased the amount of CO2 in the atmosphere by more than a third since the Industrial Revolution. The massive increase in greenhouse gases in the atmosphere has alarmingly warmed the planet. While the Earth's climate has fluctuated in the past hundreds of thousands of years, atmospheric carbon dioxide has not reached today's levels. Climate change has consequences on our oceans, our weather, our food sources, and finally, our health. Freezing locations like Greenland and Antarctica are slowly melting. The melted water that was once held in the glaciers caused sea levels to rise and eventually spill out of the oceans, flooding coastal regions. Warmer temperatures also make weather more extreme. This leads to more intense major storms, floods, heavy snowfall, and longer, more frequent droughts. These weather changes pose many challenges. Growing crops will become more difficult than it already is. The land where plants and animals inhabit and live will shift and move and could possibly cause water supplies to be diminished. In addition, climate change also has the ability to directly affect people's physical health. Warmer atmospheres in urban areas create an environment that traps and increases the amount of smog. Smog contains ozone particles that rise quickly at high temperatures. Exposure to higher levels of smog can cause health problems such as asthma, heart disease, and lung cancer. So the question is, how can we stop this? We know that humans cause the accelerated rate of climate change, but we may still be able to prevent the worst effects from happening if we work together to replace fossil fuels with renewable energy sources like solar and wind. The climate crisis has already been solved. We already have the facts and solutions. All we have to do is wake up and change.